Distributed Database System presented by Rupali Banerjee. Today our topic is Quorum-Based Protocol. A quorum is the minimum number of votes that a distributed transaction has to obtain in order to be allowed to perform an operation in a distributed system. Quorum-based protocols. In replicated databases, a data object has copies present at several sites. To ensure serializability, no two transactions should be allowed to read or write a data item concurrently. So, in case of serializability, no two transactions can read and write the same data item concurrently. Only one writer at a time can achieve write quorum. And in case of reading, every reader sees at least one copy of the most recent read. Means every reader takes one with the most recent version number. So, a quorum-based protocol is one of the distributed log manager-based concurrency control protocol in distributed database systems. Now see how it works. A file is replicated within a distributed file system. The protocol assigns a number of votes to each replica. So, the file is replicated and in each replica, this protocol assigns a number of votes. Let n be the total number of votes. And nr is read quorum, nw is write quorum. And here this nr and nw are two integers. Now, to update a file, a process must get approval from a majority of the replicas to perform a write. That is, to write to the file, a process must get approval from the majority of the replicas. And then the replicas need to agree to also perform the write. After the updation, the file has a new version, say hash, associated with it. And it is set to all the updated replicas. Now, to read, a process contacts a majority of the replicas and asks for the version hash of the files. That is, for reading, we need the most recent version. If the version hash is the same, then the file must be the most recent version and the read can proceed. The constraints. NW greater than n by 2. That is, NW means write quorum and n means total n servers are there. Suppose in a distributed file system, a file is replicated on n servers. To update a file, that is for write purpose, a client must send a request to more than n by 2 in order to make their agreement to perform an update. So, total number of server is n, and for update, client must send a request to more than n by 2 in order to make their agreement to perform an update operation. After the agreement, changes are applied on the file, that is, files are updated, and a new version number is assigned to the updated file, and those file gets a new version number. Another one is nr plus nw greater than n, that is, read quorum plus write quorum greater than n. For reading replicated file, a client send a request to n by 2 plus 1 server in order to receive the associated version number from those servers. So, for reading purpose, again client sent a request to n by 2 plus 1 servers and get the associated version number from those servers. Associated version number means what? The most recent one. Read operation is completed if all received version numbers are the most recent version number. I am taking 3 different voting cases for making your conception clear. First one, there are 12 servers. Read quorum is this. So, how many number of read quorums are there? It is 3. So, NR is 3. This is write quorum. How many number of write quorums are there? 10. So, NR is 3 and NW is 10. Now, see the constraints. NR plus NW greater than N. N is 12, NR is 3 and NW is 10. So, 10 plus 3, that is 13 greater than 12. So, first condition satisfied, and take the second one. NW greater than N by 2. N means 12. 12 by 2 means 6 and NW is 10. So, 10 greater than 6. So, both conditions are satisfied. So we can say that it is a correct choice of read and write set. Next example. There are 12 servers. This is read quorum. So what is the value of read quorum? It is 7. And what is the value of write quorum? It is 6. So NR is 7 and NW is 6. So take this constant. NR plus NW greater than N. So 7 plus 6, that is 13, greater than N, 12. So first condition satisfied. Second one. NW greater than N by 2. NW means what? It is 6. And N by 2 means 6. So there may be this choice that may lead to right-right conflicts. So there may be right-right conflicts. Next example. There are 12 servers and write quorum is 12. That is NW is 12 and NR is 1. Read quorum is 1. So see the constant. NR plus NW greater than N. Yes, 12 plus 1 greater than 12. And NW greater than N by 2. N is what? 12. So 12 by 2 means what? It is 6. And NW is 12. So NW is greater than N by 2. Both conditions are satisfied. So it is a correct choice known as row A, means read 1 and write all. Now consider more different cases. Here read quorum is 12 and write quorum is 1. So we can say that NR equals to N, that is 12, and NW equals to 1. That is read all, write once. So first writes because NW equals to 1 and slow reads. Take another case. Here read quorum is 1 and write quorum is 12. So we can say that ROWA means read 1, write all. That is NR equals to 1 and NW equals to N. So first read because NR equals to 1 and slow writes because NW equals to N. Now take this case where NR equals to NW. That is, it is the case of majority. NR equals to NW equals to N by 2 plus 1. So both moderately slow but extremely high availability. Type of questions comes in your university exam. Go through this problem. For getting more and more updates, please like, share and subscribe my channel. That's all for today. Thank you.